Hello guys, welcome. So in this session we will discuss about some pattern matching techniques, that is with the help of using like operator. Hope you are excited. So with a very good logical sequence and with the help of practice queries, we will reveal everything about this pattern matching techniques. So without any delay, let's begin. What is this like operator? Friends, assume a real world situation where you are having a database called employee, where you have stored certain employee, for example 100 employee name or whatever it may be, and you want to display employee names that are starting with a particular letter S, or employee names that are starting with a particular pattern KS, or employee names starting with A and ending with B. So whatever it may be, based on a specific pattern of data, you want to retrieve that particular rows. Then we will use this like operator. Like operator is used to search specified pattern in the data and retrieve the record when there is a pattern match. When there is a pattern match, retrieve the record. We will discuss the general patterns that are possible with this like operator. Whenever you specify R percentile, what does it mean? Matches strings that start with R and ending percentile, in the sense it can be anything. Our requirement is that that particular string should start with R. Rest it can be anything. What does percentile R mean? It should start with anything. It can be starting with any print, but our requirement is that it should end with R. It's the similar way R percentile T. What does it mean? We require starting R, we require letter R in the starting and letter T in the starting. So it can be any letter. For example, I am taking R and T. So in middle it can be anything, but only thing is that we at the first letter must be R, last letter must be T. What does percentile TRI percentile mean? It will retrieve all the strings that consist of this particular pattern. For example, percentile starting can be anything, ending can be anything. Only thing is that whether this contains this particular pattern or not. So even if the pattern is present in the first three characters or TRI, it will be displayed. Even if it is last three characters, it will be displayed. Even if TRI are in between, then also it gets displayed. So where percentile and both the sides indicate wherever it may be displayed. What does it mean? Percentile TRI. Percentile TRI indicates that we require this particular pattern should be starting from the second letter. So this can be done by varying number of underscore. Underscore TRI means from second letter onwards, if there is a pattern called TRI, then display that particular record. What does underscore R percentile? We first underscore. In the second, after first underscore, we are having R. This means at the second place we require a letter R and the rest can be anything. Next, R underscore underscore. R underscore underscore mean it should have two or more characters and begin with the letter R. For example, if I want the third letter as R, what I will do? I will take two underscores followed by R and ending with a percentile sign. So you will get much more clarity if you do some more practice example. So we'll take some set of examples. Display the employee names whose names start with M and ends with M. So we'll take the help of some table data. So this is our table. We have a ename. We will work with ename column for better understanding. So not only ename, we can display any row. Better clarity, I am displaying only specific column. So here I am having 14 rows. So with specific to ename, I am having 14 values. What my requirement is that display the employee names whose names starts with M, that is first question, and ends with M, that is second question. How can you do that? Select ename from EMP where ename like starts with M. That means ename like, after like keyword use the required pattern that must be placed in single quotes, like starts with M, and rest can be anything, right? Only our requirement is that ename should start with M. After that, whatever it may be, we don't bother. That is what indicated by percentile. So end with single quote, start with single quote. So if you execute this, we have Martin and we have Miller. Now similarly, what if I take something like this, ends with M, percentile M. Starting it can be anything. Our requirement is that only if the ending is M or not. We are not bothered of the rest. So we'd have no employee ending with M. So we'll take S for example. Johns, Adams, James. So all these values have the last letter as S. So hope you are getting clarity. We'll move to another example. The next question being display the names of all employees having M in any position of their name. Only thing is that the letter should contain M. That's it. So how can we do that? Select ename from emp, where ename like m should be in any position. So starting with starting percentile, ending with m, middle m and percentile. So what does it mean? It means starting can be anything, rest can be anything, and we just require m in between that. We are not bothered about the remaining things. So we have Smith, Martin, Adams, James, Miller. All this contains minimum one m. If the name contains m, then it is displayed. Now we will see one more question. Display the employee names and hire dates for the employees joined in the month of December. So what is the question? We want to display employee hire date as well, and also employee name as well for those employees who have joined in the month of December. See, hire date will be, we have a column called hire date in EMP table where it stores the values of date data type. For this we can also solve the question by using of date function. Without knowing date function also, with the help of using simple pattern here, we can also solve the question. How can we do that? We need to display both ename and hire date as well. Hire date for EMP, where hire date like, what is our requirement? We should know that thing that the date column will contain month keyword. That means date column will contain month. That month will contain only 3 in the format of m. That means December will be represented as DEC. That minimum knowledge you should have, then only you can write this query. Otherwise pattern will not be matched. So December will be represented as DEC. If you know this, you can use this pattern and display all the employees who have joined in the month of December. So we are not bothered about year, we are not bothered about month. We just require a hire date value. If it contains DEC, starting and ending, we don't bother, right? See, all these column values contain the pattern DEC in them, right? If you want February, you can take FEB like that. So we'll move on to another example. The next question is that display names of all employees whose name contains exactly 4 letters, right? So this is something related to length of the string. This is also very simple. How can we do this? We can solve this by varying number of underscores. For example, what he has specified, he has specified names having length 4. That means display the names which are having at least exactly 4 characters length. For that reason, just take 4 underscore. What you can add 4 means 4 underscores. Underscore 1, 2, 3, 4. I have took 4 underscore, where ename like 4 underscore. What will happen now? Now all the enames which are having 4 letters will be displayed. So King, Ford, what all of them will have 4 letters as length. If you want 5 letters, take 5 underscores. That's it. Just you can vary with number of underscores. That's it. James, Adams, all the names will have 5 letters. Okay. So this is not a line. This is an underscores. So length can be varied with varying number of underscores. Hope you understood. So let's move on to another example. Now what we will do is that we will try to display the names that are having second letter as M. How can we do that? Ename like first letter should be empty. First letter we don't bother about. So take an underscore and L, capital L percentile. What does it mean? Underscore L percentile. We want first letter one underscore mean first letter can be anything. After that, at the second position we are taking L. So second letter we require L, and at the end remaining thing we are not bothered. Underscore L percentile. We have Blake, second letter as M, Clark, second letter as M, Allen, second letter as M. Okay, what if you want third letter as M? Take 2 underscores and at the third position take L. We have Allen in the third position as L, and Miller we are having third letter as L. So this also we can do with varying number of underscores. So 2 underscores followed by L. What does it mean? Third letter should be L and rest can be anything. That means which is indicated by percentile. What if you want fourth letter as M? Take 3 underscores followed by M ending with percentile. Fourth letter as M. 3 underscores followed by M in the fourth place ending with percentile. We have Adams, which is having M in the position 4. Understood? Now what if I want the names that are having 2 consecutive L's? Just take simply like this, percentile L percentile. So we have Allen and we have Miller. So in this pattern, what we have observed is that the name contains 2 consecutive L's, ALL, MILL, that is represented by percentile LL percent. So all the names having this pattern is display. And we'll do one more example. All the names that are starting with J and ending with S. Starting with J, ending with S. Starting with J and ending with S. In the middle we are not bothered. We are bothered about first position, that is J. We are bothered about last position, that is S. And the remaining can be anything. That is indicated by this percentile. We have Jones and we have James. So all these start with J and end with S. So if you want to display names of all employees that are free from letter L, how can you do that? So you should display the employee names. It should not contain any letter L. So select ename from EMP, where ename not like percentile L percentile. So if you take percentile L percentile, what will happen? It will display the names of employees which contains at least one L, one or more L. Now if you take not like, it will not display any name if it contains L. It may be 1L or 2L or 3L, any L, at least one or n L's. So King, John, Scott, Ford, Smith, all these names are free from letter L. So this is one dimension that you can observe. So hope you are enjoying. That's it, friends. We'll discuss all possible dimensions of the like operator, that is pattern matching in SQL. So please do practice whatever has been taught so far in all possible aspects practically in Oracle Compiler. Hope you have enjoyed. Keep learning. See you in the next session. Bye bye.